How to get the Android apps on Windows 11 with Google Play Store. WSA End of Life. Microsoft is ending support for the Windows Subsystem for Android. As a result, the Amazon App Store on Windows and all applications and games dependent on WSA will no longer be supported beginning from the March 5, 2025. Until then, technical support will remain available to the customers and it will continue to have access to those apps. So here are the steps by which you can get the Android apps on Windows. First of all, you need to download the pre-release build by visiting this GitHub repository which has been mentioned on the description box. Download the latest pre-release build that includes Google Play Store and services. Once you have done so, go to 7 install zip and extract the build from the 7 zip. After that, the next step is to check for your Windows version. Ensure that your Windows 11 version is up to date, which is 23H2 or later. You can go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History to verify. Another step is enable virtualization in BIOS or BIOS. For this, restart your computer, enter the BIOS setup, usually F2, F9 or F10 or delete. Navigate to System option and enable the virtualization technology. Save the changes and exit the BIO. Next step, go to the Control panel, Programs, and then click on Turn Windows feature on and off from the left side. It will open another page. Ensure virtual machine platform is enabled, and if the Hyper-V is available, enable it as well. Once this is done, run the extracted folder, right-click on it on the installation file, and run as administrator. Now just follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation. Once completed, open Windows Subsystem for Android. Sign in to your Google Play Store with a Google account. Follow any additional prompts available. Install and test the Android apps and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.